Hi, 8th grade. Today we're moving on to 1-6, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Basically today we're going to be proving whether or not a triangle is right, has a right angle, okay? If a squared plus b squared equals c squared, if that is true, then the triangle is a right triangle. So, for example 1, make sure I'm on there. If we have a triangle with the lengths as 6, 4.5, and 7.5 centimeters, we are being asked today to prove whether or not that will be a right angle, to prove whether a squared plus b squared truly equals c squared. So in this example, a is going to be 6 for me, so I'm going to have 6 squared. And b is going to be the bottom, right, the base, so that's going to be 4.5 squared, which leaves 7.5, the longest side, as my c squared. Okay? And if I do that math, whether I do it on the side or in a calculator, what's important is we know how to use the formula today, so I don't mind if you use a calculator. 6 times 6 is 36. 4.5 times 4.5 is 20.25. And 7.5 times 7.5 is 56.25. And when I add that up, 36 and 20.25 is 56.25. So because I end up with 56.25 on both sides of the equal sign, that means that yes, this is a right triangle. Okay? Example 2. You'll also see problems written like this, okay, questions for your homework. Determine whether the given lengths, so 3 different sides, can be sides of a right triangle and explain. Okay, so when you get problems like this, this is how you're going to solve them. You're going to take them, okay, and however you want, I'm just going to do it right in order. I'm going to say that A is 8, B is 9, and C is 12. The one that matters is that the longest side is C. The other two, it doesn't. So if I take these and I say 8 squared plus 9 squared, is that equal to 12 squared? 8 squared, 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. And 12 times 12 is 144. And when I add these, I get 145 and 144. So this is not equal. It is not. So the answer here is no, and the explain is your work, because 145 is not equal to 144. Okay, what we got on the left is not equal to the right, so this is not a right triangle. It still could be a triangle, but it's not a right one. It doesn't have a 90-degree angle. Okay, the last one. I want you to try this one. Same directions as above, okay? So to determine whether or not it can be a right triangle given these lengths. And I know I wrote the inches super small, so it's 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. And I want you to try that one on your own, okay? On your own without me. So this is a you try. A you try. Pause it if you need to. I'm going to go over the answer. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. 10 squared is 100. 36 and 64 equals 100. Since we have the same thing on the left and the right, the answer is yes. This is a right triangle. Hopefully that's what you got. Your homework today is going to be on page 33. Page 33. And I would like for you to do 15 through 20. All. Thanks, guys. If you have any questions or you need any help, I will be available in office hours today at 2:15. Good luck.